Dear learners, this is Professor Kavita Brahmankar. I welcomes you to the online lecture of character generation methods in computer graphics. Characters can be generated by both hardwares and softwares. By using softwares, there are three basic methods to generate characters. First method is stroke method, second is bitmap method, and third is starburst method. We will see all these methods one by one. Now let's start with stroke method. Stroke method is also called as vector character generation method. Name is given vector generation method because it uses a set of line segments to create character. Hence, we require sequence of commands to generate a particular character. And we know to generate a line, we should have starting and ending points of the line. Lines यूज करने की वजह से हम कैरेक्टर का साइज एंड स्केल दोनों भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. We can make the character as twice as its original size. हम slanted characters भी जनरेट कर सकते हैं और कैरेक्टर्स का स्टाइल भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. We can generate various faces of characters also by using line and arc functions. We can see in the figure. First, A is generated by using 3 line commands and the sequence is given here. This is first line command, then this is second line command, and this is third line command. This way we have generated character A by using 3 set of lines, and that the direction of the line is directed by dotted line. Then second A is somewhat slanted. Then third A uses 3 line commands and at the top of the A uses 1 arc. So we have used 3 line commands and 1 arc command to display this type of A character. So in this way we will generate characters and display it on the screen. Bitmap method. Bitmap method is also called as dot matrix method because character is displayed as an array of dots or array of pixels. That is why it is called bitmap method. In this, character is represented by an array of dots or pixels. We can take the array size like 5 by 7, 7 by 9 and 9 by 9. So, for increasing the font size of the character, we have to increase the size of the array. Then, placing the character on the screen means copying the values of the pixels from character array into some portion of the screen buffer. मतलब स्क्रीन पे कैरेक्टर डिस्प्ले हो रहा है मीन्स हमने कैरेक्टर एरे में जो वैल्यू है उसको स्क्रीन के फ्रेम बफर में कॉपी किया है. So see the figure. Here we have taken the array of 5 by 7 and display character A, and the pixels or dots showing the A are only highlighted. So this is how by using bitmap method or dot matrix method characters are displayed and generated on the screen. Then last method is starburst method. In this method, fixed pattern of line segments are used to generate characters. There are total 24 line segments and whatever segment we select to display particular character should be highlighted. The appearance of the template is like a star shape, that's why it is called Starbus method. Whichever character we want to display, that is stored in the form of 24-bit code, and each bit represents one line segment. Bit is set to 1 if we want to highlight the line, and bit is set to 0 if we don't want to highlight the line. So this is the template like a star, and every line segment has fixed number, and there are total 24 line segments. That's why we have to generate a 24-bit line code for each character. So see here, character A is represented here, and for generating character A, we have taken this 24-bit code. Code always starts from this right side and it goes towards left side, means this is first bit and this is 24th bit. So we can see here, to generate character A, the line number 1 is highlighted, that's why 1 is here. Line number 2 is not highlighted, 3 and 4 is not highlighted, so for 2, 3 and 4 we have written 0. Then line number 5 is not highlighted and line number 6 is highlighted, so this is bit 5, that is 0. Line number 6 is highlighted, that's why it is 1. Again line number 7, 8 are highlighted, those are 7 and 8 are highlighted. Then 9, 10 are not highlighted, means these are 0. 9, 10 not highlighted. Again 11 and 12 are highlighted, this is 11 and 12 highlighted, means these are 1, 1. Then all the bits are 0, only 21 and 22 are highlighted, so this is 22 and 21, these are 1, means highlighted, and 23 and 24 not highlighted, means these are 0, 0. So this is complete 24-bit code to display character A on the screen by using starburst method. Same method is used to display character M on the method, and this is the 24-bit code to display M character on the screen. Next point is disadvantages of starburst method. As we store 24 bits for a single character, so it requires more memory. So this is one of the biggest disadvantage. Then it requires code conversion software to display characters from 24-bit code. 24-bit कोड को अब कैरेक्टर के फॉर्म में जनरेट और डिस्प्ले करने के लिए we should have code conversion software. Again, this is the biggest disadvantage. And for curved shaped, character quality is poor. If we are having characters those are curved shape, then the quality of that character will be very poor. So all these are the disadvantages. Thank you so much.